Welcome to the HospoFuture Expo 2025. We're here at the iconic Melbourne Cricket Ground where we're welcoming publicans from all over the state. They're here to see what's new and exciting in the hospitality world from all key suppliers and partners in the industry.
I've been a chef 15 years and it's great to talk to the publicans about it because they might not be aware of what's available for their kitchen, right? Saving energy costs, saving yield, increasing food production.
The biggest impact that will have on my business will be the AI Sadie influence out of Now Book It. I think that's a real asset to the business that will make us money. I think the thing that excites me about HospoFuture Forum is there's always something new and innovative, something that's cutting edge for our industry and keeps our business at the forefront of people's minds.
The new hard rated orange is great. We're on the lookout now for what we're going to put on tap, so that'll be going on tap straight away.
I think we'll definitely be back. It's definitely something we want to kind of layer into and start to build our offer year on year, and being in a space like this definitely helps us do that.